update 3 on the 3D printed Catan board. It's almost done. I'm just waiting on 5 more settlements for green, but blue, red, orange, gold, purple. And the full board is almost done. And then I just got to do like the 2-to-1s for resources. But the 3-to-1s is good on the harbors. Everything else is done. The robber's freaking awesome. I love the robber. He's stealing all this sheep. I might also do a dragon I found, which would be pretty sweet too. But check it out. And here we go. Video. Boom.